We're at Tractor Supply looking for us a little planter like this. But the planter that we're looking for is much bigger. One like that. So oh, he found it. You found it? Okay. So this is the one we're looking for. And they only have 2 in stock. This is a raised garden planter with a liner, 93 inches long. The width is 30 by 3 inches. Is that Sam? Because that thing said $159. The app? So these things go really fast because they are so very useful. We got one last year for $104. It was on sale, pretty good sale for it. These flowers are so pretty. Turn this around so you can see. I love those type of flowers. And I love the pansies. Pansies wilt too fast for me. Let me go look at this tone stuff that I wanted to get for my citrus. Let's see if they have some. I've been wanting to get this citrus garden tone put on my fruit trees. And I think the price is $14.99.